So the good thing about having a laptop is you can do work pretty much anywhere. The bad thing about having a laptop is that you try and squeeze in one or two things here and there, like when you're trying to get your pre-workout in. But I was right. I've been going between Mac and PC, and it opened on the PC a way that it wouldn't on the Mac for some weird reason. But let's get to the workout. Let's do chest. That's what we're doing today. It's chest. We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring to you Gigi drinking milk. You don't need a sippy cup. Why are you drinking out of a sippy cup? You're silly. You guys missed it. We just had some serious parenting going on. Again, so being selfish means...
Being selfish means that you have more and you want more and you have enough.
Good enough. Okay. Here's your pumpkin. Let's go have breakfast. So, made my breakfast and then had a inkling to clean the kitchen. So now it's clean. And along those same lines, I have an office that we like to go to, but at the same time I do have a home office that I share with Lori. But it's hard to be productive when it looks like this, which also is hard to be productive when the garage looks like this, because then I can't clean up the office, which means I can't be productive. And this has been a long time coming, so we're going to try and do a quick clean of the garage so that I can clean the office so I can be productive and get stuff done. There we go. So, client just called me and kind of put a kibosh on my cleaning extravaganza because there's a project that we want to do that all of a sudden has emergency deadlines on it, and it's worth scrambling to try and solve some people's problems. And at the end of the day, so we'll have to do the productive cleaning later. Now I'm just grabbing all my stuff. All right, coming back from the clients now. We're gonna save the day, get an ad up for them on air tomorrow. There was a question about assets, miscommunication, something on their end about schedule, I don't know. Whatever it is, we're working a little bit late tonight, getting some stuff put together, but it'll be worth it in the end. Now we're gonna head back, and Laura and I have a call with an expert to do a little consulting on some Google advertising. So we had something interesting happen today. All the fire alarms in the house went off all at once, all the smoke alarms. And our house tends to do that. It has tended to do that in the past when I guess there's a lot of steam or something, or particles in the air or something. Hasn't happened in a long time.
Hello.
But you guys are crazy. We have vaulted ceilings in the family room, as well as these rooms have some pretty tall ceilings, so you have to go dig the ladder out. And then you can never tell which one, they're all wired together, you can never tell which one's actually going off. So you have to pull them all down. Oh, sorry. And this happened just before a meeting I had. But now people are in their pajamas, I don't know if you can see. Oops. and pumpkins.
On my bed.
And now it's time to read books.
Pumpkin! Wait.
The sheep says, "Pretty singing pumpkin sing."